Hello, my name is Eric Montagnon and I belong to the IBM customer support for IBM Cloud Monitoring. That's me. Today I'm going to present how to install ITCAM4Tx Rational Integration Support package, or RIS, for RPT version 9. So the first thing to do is to check RPT version that you have installed on your Windows environment. One way of doing it is to launch RPT Workbench. Here you can see the version is displayed under IBM Rational, but if you are not sure, you click Help, About, and you see the version appearing here. In my test environment, I have version 9.0.1. Then the next thing to check is to check the AMC or T3 Application Management Console Agent version in use in your environment. Why? Because you are going to export RPT test scripts to the AMC agent. So you need to have a compatible version between RPT, Rational Integration Support, and the AMC agent. Let's verify that now. I connect to my machine where my AMC or ITCAM console agent is installed. I launch, it's a Windows environment, for example, so I launch the Managed Tivoli Enterprise Monitoring Services GUI, and I can see here that I have version 7.40.01.14. 7.4 Fixpack 1 IF14 is, currently speaking, the latest and most recent version for ITCAM console, for ITCAM for robotic response time agent, which is a player, which is going to be the player of your robotic scripts, and also for the rational integration support package that we are interested in here. 7.4.0.1 IF14. So now you have to download from FixCentral the same package version and install it on the machine where Rational Performance Tester product is installed. So access your Passport Advantage and search under FixCentral the ITCAM4Tx product or Tivoli Composite Application Manager for transactions. It is the same thing. Select a version. 7.4.01 is currently the latest version. Select a platform. It's Windows because the Rational Integration Support is only installable on Windows. Browse for fixes. And here you can see the first one in the list is currently the IF14 ITCAM Tivoli CAM RT for response time. This is this package, this interim fix RT IF14 that contains currently, as we speak, the latest Rational Integration Support package. So once you have downloaded it, you install it into your system. So I have downloaded it. Here it is. I have downloaded the package for Windows. I have unzipped the package. And when you unzip the package, you have under Windows, this is the package that you are going to use to upgrade your robotic response time agent, for example, or your AMC agent, for example, if you don't have the latest version. And you have also in the same package another zip, Rational Integration Support.zip. This is the one that contains the Rational Integration Support product. So once you have unzipped it, you go into it and you run as administrator the setup.exe. Click Next. Accept the license agreements. Select Rational Performance Tester version 9. It should detect it. Next. And here we go. We are installing the RIS package. It's finished. Done. So now we are going to verify that everything is fine. You launch IBM Performance Tester. You select your workspace. And one way to see that your Rational Integration Support package installation was good is here in the top. You see the first icon, Upload Test Script to ITCAM Application Management. You see a second icon, Switch to ITCAM Perspective. These are good signs that your plugin or Rational Integration Support package was installed properly in your environment, in your RPT workbench. A way to test that is to launch, if you have already recorded some scripts, is to click on Upload, enter the hostname or IP address where the application management console system is up and running. If it is up and running, you select your workspace or projects where your test scripts are currently located. And from there, you can select a script, for example, and we'll take a small one, an HTTP, and you finish. It was already there. I will overwrite it. Yes. You can see it's exporting my test and the needed elements to the application management console system. Success. Upload successful. Okay. So that's one way to verify that your Rational Integration Support was currently working. RPT script export. Okay. Another way to check that the Rational Integration Support plugin was installed properly is to launch IBM Performance Tester Workbench and go on Help, About Rational Performance Tester, click on Installation Details, and then click on Features. Sort by version, and scroll down. And here you can see the ITCAM for transaction feature is installed, feature ID, and the build ID version 7.4.0.1, build ID 2016-12-08-1116. And you can compare with the build version that you have on your AMC system, and they should be the same, so you are in the best possible environment to start working with your RPT environment and export test scripts to the AMC system. If you launch the KNC info on Windows or the cinfo -t command and check the T3, you will see here the build ID, the version first of all 7.40.01.14, which is consistent with the RIS version that you just installed, and the build ID as well 2016-12-08-1116. Thank you for your attention. This is the end of this small presentation. Thank you and goodbye.
Thank you for watching this video at the IBM Monitoring Academy. We appreciate your feedback, so please feel free to use the comments box below. We'd also love you to check the thumbs up box if you appreciated this video. We have added several helpful links to the YouTube comments box below so you can find all our other content on social media. I would definitely recommend that you check out the blogs on DevWorks. Take care.